now we're going to the rock painting site, and it's gonna be blessed so that the locals can use it, including myself. Let's go.
Hey.
Hashtag Simply Twins High. Gamkaberg Twins, and you know that. And if you don't know, check this out.
Sorry.
Going towards Pete Babette.
Which is the place of worship or meditation. You should not touch or rub against or kick up dust or splash water on the paintings because that can cause damage. And then it's one of South Africa's most valuable cultural heritage. Who are the artists? It's accepted that the paintings were done by the medicine people or the shamans. They were full of potency which was transferred to them via the potency stored in the paintings. And the potency was passed on from the blood from animals such as the eland to the paintings. And then that potency through the paintings were passed on to the shamans. So this painted sites were the storehouses of this potency that made contact with the spiritual world possible and enabled the shamans to guarantee his people's existence by healing, controlling the weather and successful hunting and foretelling the future. So that was the significance of these sites. This one, it just explains a little bit about the dots and the artwork, but this is the one that gives you more information. Dots.
Black leopards.
This is really amazing. A different CPT Twins hike, worth it. Learning about Khoisans, their culture, their heritage. So I'm loving every experience. Plus I got 3 legs to walk on now for the next hike. So I urge y'all, come here, come explore this mountain. This is your grounds, people. Let's break grounds.
Man, follow me on Instagram, guys.
Follow him on Instagram.
Snaro Jonas.
Like follow her too. This is Cape Town TV, by the way.
Yes.
This is like Cape Town TV. I got them on my TV. They got me on their TV.
Let's go.
Bye.